Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. In this video, we will see how to set up SonarQube. So first, we need to know that what is SonarQube. So we will open SonarQube overview. We can go with this. So here is the SonarQube overview. SonarQube is a self-managed automatic code review tool. So we can it will helps you deliver clean code. So it is also detect issues in your code. So let's start. Stay with me throughout the entire video from start to finish to see how to set it up. So first we need to download SonarQube. It will take some time to download. Let me show you. SonarQube download. You can simply search. So we can go with the first link. You can go with this download for free, and the chip is downloading. So after that we need to download sonar scanner. First it first we need to wait when it's complete. So download is complete. Please take care of that. It's a latest version of SonarQube. So I am already download this and unzip. I will show you. So this is a SonarQube and Sonar scanner. When you unzip this, it will automatically go C drive here under this automatically. Okay. So now we need to download Sonar scanner. Now we can simply search Sonar scanner download. You can simply go with first link, and you need to know that this is compulsory part for the SonarQube because SonarQube is incomplete without it. So let's see the process for that too. You can simply click on Windows because I am using Windows version. If you if your system has if you use Mac, you can go with first link, and you need to know that this is the compulsory part for this SonarQube because SonarQube is incomplete without it. So let's see the process for that too. I'm using Windows, so I will choose Windows version 64-bit. If you are using Linux or Mac, you can go with that. And our SonarQube is downloaded. You can see in the downloads directory. Okay, so you will also need to download its zip file, and you can extract it anywhere. It's better to paste or extract it in the same directory. You can see in the C drive SonarQube. Okay, I will already paste into it. You can already same process. Okay, paste in this, paste Sonar scanner in this directory. So my English is little bit weak. You please manage. So now our next process is, so we need Docker. Using Docker makes it easier and error-free with just two commands. The server for SonarQube will running, and let me show you first. So that we have downloaded what we needed. So let's move forward. So with the help of this documentation, I will give you this URL in the description. You can easily go with that. So these are the commands. These are the commands for create SonarQube network. You can both. This is for remove SonarQube network. If find any old version. So this command will remove the SonarQube network if any. So this will create a new network. This command. And if you have any image for Postgres, this command stop and this command remove that image, and I have no image. Okay, so now I will go with this command. These are the two commands. Okay, after using these two commands, our SonarQube server is running. Okay, let me show you first. These commands take a few minutes. Okay, so it takes a few minutes. So I am pausing until it finishes. So our first image is successfully pulled. You can see it here. Now we need to run the second command. So this will also take a few minutes. I will again pause until it finish. So guys, it's approx completed, and once both commands are executed, we will see the images for both, and the containers will start automatically. And after that we just need to wait 1 or 2 minutes and server will be up and running. We'll show you. Wait a few minutes. I will show you the images for the both in the Docker, so you can see here. Okay, and our containers is already in the running state. So after executing both commands, as I mentioned earlier, the containers will start running automatically. After that, you don't need to do anything else. Simply go to the documentation. So I will I will add this URL into description. Okay, in video description. So we can simply click on this code. Okay, this is the SonarQube code 900 9000. So it will take around 3 to 4 minutes, okay, for the link to load. So there is no need to worry. So our SonarQube is starting as I discussed. So in this now our server is up and running. You can see it. So guys, now it's time to subscribe. Please subscribe and let me know in the comments how you like this video. I will see you in the next video where I will show you how to set a project with SonarQube. I will upload the next video soon. See you in the next part. Okay, so bye bye guys.